everyone, I want to show you really quick how you can redeem your practice voucher for an official GED Ready practice test. So what you'll need to do, go to GED.com, sign into your free GED.com account or log in, sign up for a free account if you don't have one yet. It just takes a few minutes. Log in with your login information. Alright, once you're logged in, go up here to the top and go to Study. Under Study, you'll have some options. Go to the one that says Practice. Practice questions in the GED Ready practice test. Alright, so now we are here, GED Ready. Look for this yellow where it says Have a Voucher Code, Redeem Now. Choose the language. Choose the subject, I was looking at this, choose the subject that you want to take your GED practice test in. Choose your language. Okay, so come down, go ahead and put Proceed to Checkout. Make sure you have the right subject, and it tells us that this practice test can take 95 minutes, so that's the time period you have. Make sure you have enough time when you're taking it. So come on down to Proceed to Checkout. This is telling you your system requirements, so you will need Windows 2000 or higher. You can use Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, Chrome, and you need a good internet connection. So if you need to come to the computer lab to take your practice test, feel free to do that if you don't think your computer is up to it. Alright, so here is where we will enter your voucher code. So if you have scored a likely to pass on your Essential Education account, then I will give you a free practice voucher, or get a free practice voucher from your teacher if I'm not your teacher. So you'll put your practice voucher there, hit Apply, and that's going to remove that $6. And now you're paying $0. So then hit Next. Almost there. Yes, looks good. We have our correct subject. $0 because we got our voucher on there. And then you'll click Submit Order. I'm not going to click Submit now, but once you click Submit Order, return to your GED.com account. You might need to log out and log back in for your practice test to show up on your account. So go ahead and leave that, log back in. And here on your front page, you should have an option to take that practice test. Or you'll get an email with the option to take your practice test. So once you get in your voucher and are set up, if you need help from there, let me know, let your teacher know. And good luck on your practice test.